Hello students, welcome back. We are going to be talking about cells. Cells are awesome. We are made of cells. Our body is made of trillions and trillions and trillions of cells. And we're going to talk about the cell theory. So a cell, remember, a cell is basic unit of life. And there is a theory called the cell theory that explains that living things are made of cells, that they're the basic unit of life, and that they come from other cells. So there are three parts to the cell theory you should know. First one, all living things are made of cells. Every living thing on the planet is made of either one cell, and if it's made of one cell, it's called unicellular. Unicellular, one cell. If it's made of more than one cell, it's multicellular. Multi means many, so many cells, multicellular. So the first part of the cell theory, all living things are made of cells. COVID-19 is not made of cells, it's not alive. Second part of the cell theory states that the cell is the basic unit of life. So there's nothing smaller than a cell that is still considered to be alive. That's second part. Basic unit of life, cells. Third part, all cells come from pre-existing cells. So all cells come from cells that existed before them. Just makes sense. So cells divide to make new cells. Some cells divide faster than others. Like the cells in your intestine, the lining of your intestine. They're dividing fast. Every few days, new ones are made. Your blood cells, your red blood cells, every few months, new ones are made. Whereas your nerve cells, like in your brain and your spinal cord, they don't divide. So they are like locked down. That's why if you have nerve damage, brain damage, really is considered to be permanent. Right now they're doing stem cell research on repairing and working with problems of the nervous system. But permanent damage because those cells are not dividing. So, three parts to the cell theory. First thing, all living things are made of cells. Cells are the basic unit of life. And cells come from pre-existing cells. Woo! Cells are awesome. Now, next time you go and take a selfie, think of cells. You're taking a selfie of yourself, and you're made of cells. So it's a selfie of cells.